I'll ask you the question here.
Tell.
How do that giri bull
Come nearby.
show its emotion?
So when you get attached to a gir, a breed cow or a bull, like whenever you go near them, they will come near you and they will with their head they do like this so that they tell them you to scratch them, and they'll sometimes lick your hand, and they show your love through that. And whenever if you don't, we have to come regularly, or if you miss 1 or 2 days, they'll start crying.
Oh,
I have seen this. I have observed
Crying
this
means
here.
with tears.
Tears, yeah. They cry. Sometimes they shout also. Because, like if you not meet them for much time, they shout and they cry. Yeah, really. It happens. See, when we go to the holidays and come back, they'll fully be happy and they'll come.
Okay.
so can they like differentiate between you and him?
Yeah, they can. So
And we have seen tears if something bad is going to happen.
Come, you also stand nearby because I want you also to say something. Come.
So before
there's bull there, who is eating in the ring now. So I am attached to it so much that whenever he's little agitated, I go near him and pet him. He won't be that agitated as before. Like I can go near him anytime. I can sleep with him also in the night. I have slept with him in the night also many times.
Really?
Yeah.
they're not
Bull, you are a
So we have yoga nidra. At that time we go sleep with them also. Few of the days.
So what is your background? You came from which city?
I came from Hyderabad.
And proper city?
Yes.
So you did your schooling before in any normal school?
Yes, I was been in normal school.
And now you are in this, so you see a big difference?
Yes, there's a lot of it.
Will you ever go back to your normal school?
No way.
No?
That's what we like.
You're speaking with her and she has set up so many schools, you know. This lady.
No, that's why when she was telling let them become part of mainstream, I told this will become mainstream.
This will become mainstream, yes,
What
yes.
become?
Yes, this will.
You people should change that system to be like.
Anyone
and
wants...
if you're and when your tridoshas are imbalanced, if you go be with cows or the bulls, the desi breed of bulls for some time, they tell that the tridoshas will get balanced.
Balanced? Okay.
And there is one saying that when you go touch them, if they lick you,
They're like,
they will know all the diseases, all the health management system in your body. And every time when they graze, they will eat those medicines which will heal your body. So their dung, if you again the next day or after few days, if you touch, so your diseases will slowly get cured. That's why they say in the morning that you have to pick dung with your hands. So that we don't know that nowadays they don't know that this happens. So that's why we have to pick the dung with our own hands instead of using.
So, but in the first time when you picked dung from your own hands, didn't you feel it's dirty or something?
No.
Never?
no, before,
because
I was already in my father's farm, and there I was habituated to cows.
But who remembers the first time what you felt? What?
I thought it was yucky and who would touch cow dung. But then I prayed that I would get rid of that dosha, and then I started picking happily. And because we study here, Acharyas teach us what are the benefits of. So even some people had skin diseases, and even because of picking cow dung, the skin diseases have gone away. Yeah, and I also personally experienced our hand, the palm gets really more used to such natural substances by touching the cow dung, because I've seen that I'm able to handle more heat through my hands after picking cow dung, and after using soap if I touch hot vessels I immediately get burnt in my hand, while cow dung and natural substances I'm able to even catch hot vessels. The simple observations they do. The children are very good at doing observations, and they actually coming forth with actual points which gets enhanced in their body through the touch of cow dung and
Contact
being
with
with the cow, contact with
and
cows.
cow dung also helps us in reducing our pitta.
Pitta.
Yeah, when it's high, when you stamp or do any activity.
Any of the girls want to say something about the cow, like how you felt, or first time you touched it, what did you feel, and if you see any benefits in your life from the cows?
I don't know much about cows because it's recent that I came here, but after I got to spend time with cows, I felt myself become more calmer and
Calm.
yeah, I could sense a peacefulness inside me. And
So it
was
just
very
makes you
nice.
cheers you up. So for
Yeah.
whatever reason you are in a bad mood,
Yeah.
you go near the cow, and when you spend some time, you feel uplifted, right?
Yeah, you
Your
feel
mood
much
is
better.
uplifted.
Yeah.
You don't need any mood upliftment. I think you're always smiling, right? you will make the cow happy. I think the cow will get into a better mood because of you, right? Any cow experience?
Yeah, before I really hate to touch cow dung. And I inspired from them. They told because of cow dung picking, this much will happen, this much, that thing, and I'm inspired from them.
Okay, good. Anyone else wants to tell me something
Have
about?
a favorite cow. You
Okay,
should talk
yeah.
about the name of your cow. You want to come this side? You're standing in the. So you
All
can
of you
talk
have a
about it
favorite.
and-
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, who will start? Okay, you start.
My favorite cow is Rishikesha.
Rishikesh. Okay, what breed is that?
It is Congress.
Okay. Anyone?
Rama. Which is your favorite cow? Huh? Purani is the cow.
The baby. Okay.
Yeah. What about you?
My favorite cow is Gaia. Why means whenever I'll go, I'll she'll start a lick my kurta and make it fully wet. and bull means it's Madanagopala. From when first time I got friend with him only. If I sleep on him means he'll sleep on me. They literally sleep.
He's so big, right?
No, he's like this much.
Oh.
Yeah, this much.
He has more cows than just Purani. It seems.
Okay,
You have to
which
tell
one?
their name.
Rishikesha, Madhava,
Huh.
all the calves.
Okay. And the cow also has favorites, right?
Yeah.
Cows also have favorites.
Yeah.
What about you?
Huh.
I like Balabhadra.
Balabhadra.
He is Giri. So I like Surabhi. Big.
Over there? Okay.
She's the Gir.
Huh.
And in bulls, two bulls, Shambhu and Dhruva.
Dhruva. Okay. Anyone else with your favorites?
Om Namah Shivaya. My favorite cow is Lakshmi
Lakshmi.
and Gaya and Surabhi. My favorite bull is Gopu. He's son of Surabhi.
So sweet, son.
Gaya.
You also have a favorite cow? You don't know the Purani. Everybody like because she's a brand new one. Yes, you?
Om Namah Shivaya. My favorite cows are Swarna, which is a breed of Swarna Kapila. It's gold. The whole
Gold
body
color.
is gold.
Yes. I saw that gold eyes also.
Yeah.
Golden eyes.
And another one is Narmada. First when she came, she was little agitated, etc. Then slowly after interaction, she became calmer.
Calmer? Okay. Maybe you made her calmer. She wanted a friend like you, right? Yes. Any favorites?
So my favorite cow is also Narmada. So when at the starting stage when she used to be very like if her rope will come till here, she will not the person come till here. So she used to be like very arrogant, don't come close to me. And then slowly me and Arvinda ate her beatings daily, and then slowly she let her
So she was aggressive in the beginning.
very aggressive. And she was like, no, everybody feared to go close. Narmadana, they'll stand there if she's here. So me and Arvinda slowly started picking her tongue. Then she felt okay here.
Then she started trusting you. basically.
Only the face she would allow. She's a very different cow. Usually cows don't let to touch their face. She let to touch the face but not the back.
I see.
Now even if you hug her, she doesn't have a problem.
Wow. That's so nice. I'm sure we are impacting them as much as.
True, very
Yeah.
So what
And-
about you? Which is your favorite?
So my favorite is we've got Purani. I like her really well. And I also like Shambhu, who has been crazy.
Shambhu the bull.
Yeah.
Girls?
I also like Purani.
Purani.
Even I like Pune and I like Abhirama.
Kapila.
Abhirama.
Abhirama. Okay.
One of the birds.
So Jaggery smelling cows, they have a very good digestive system.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're a Sattvic.
Yes, sir.
Smell few of them, their foreheads will smell like jaggery.
Yeah.
Like Parikrama here and Balabhadra there. And then there are also Dhruva sometimes will have the smell.
Forehead smells like jaggery. That means something is being secreted, right?
Which smells like jaggery. So their digestive system, they'll never have a disorder.
Yeah.
And one more thing is they won't waste their like virya. They won't evaporate. So they will be like brahmachari.
Okay.
And my favorite cow is Amrita Arshini.
This one.
Yeah, Amrita.
Behind. Okay, there.
Because her eyes are very beautiful. And she is the very quickest one.
Oh, okay. So you all talk to the cow also, right?
Yeah.
You all...
So now Surabhi is very much aggressive cow is she only.
The most
Slowly I am trying to make friend with her.
So I think he has had the maximum
Yeah, twice.
hold from the back also, right?
Any aggressive
He's a very brave boy.
He's the best in
In the
handling the...
night, any bull that gets untied, first person to come catch it's his kid.
He's very fast also. He can, his response time is like really quick.
Right. And then when it's very, very hot, what do these cows do? They all come here and when it's very, very hot.
These are desi breeds, right? So with low maintenance only, they will actually be very rugged.
Okay.
These bulls are very
See,
resilient.
the understanding we have is that the Goshalas generally put too much of infrastructure around the cows and bulls, which is not to be. Not they have to be exposed to the Panchabhutas. They are like us only.
No, but we want shelter, right?
That's the new we, right? Not the ancient we. So if they get enough exposure to the Panchabhutas, their whole system operates better.
Okay.
So that's why they get enough. They are under the trees during the sunny times. Even rains they can withstand very easily.
Even in heavy rain.
It's very rare that they get fever and all. So each of these desi breeds have different colors, as you can see. Each color represents one kind of prakriti. Not dosha, prakriti. So some say, everybody says if it's white color, it's vata prakriti. If it's black, it's kapha prakriti, and if it's brown, then it's pitta prakriti. If they have mix, then they have mix of prakritis. So if we see Rudra, he has all three colors. That doesn't mean that all three are like in
The
balance.
most predominant color means that's the most predominant dosha. So in him, there's black is the most predominant. So then he's more of a kapha prakriti. And then also, if you look like a desi cows, they have a hump. So through the hump, there's a nadi that goes. It's called the Surya Ketu Nadi. So then they absorb all the energies from all the celestial objects, and then they spread it around to the people who come and then go and come. Like if you take care of them for a long time, they'll give you some of their energies like that.
So that's why the emotional, that is stabilization happens. People, even human beings who are completely ruffled, if they spend time with the cows, they actually settle down quite a bit.
Correct. Yeah, that's what in Texas Goshala I told you what happened.
So if we'll be half an hour or 1 hour near cows, here all the three doshas will be balanced.
That balance happens.
Yeah, that's what in Texas Goshala they are giving half an hour minimum to the people to
And
come
also these the desi cows, they've got dewlap below the neck.
there. Yes, that what is it called? Sasna.
Gangadol.
No, in Sanskrit I think it's called something else. Sasna or something like that. Oh, what is it in Tamil?
I don't know if it's Tamil, but it's called Gangadolam here.
I see. Okay.
So then whatever they eat, so out of that they extract all the bad toxins and everything and store it there.
I see.
And then they evacuate all the good whatever they do.
Okay.
So then that's why they take all the toxins and keep it. They don't spread it. So then that's only for the native breeds. But then for Jersey, sometimes they won't have all these. They won't have a dewlap.
You have any experience? Jersey cows don't have the dewlap. Oh, okay.
And hump also they don't.
Hump also they don't have.
That's why their milk is not that effective on Mutra.
And also like some of the cows, they give very little milk. But if you drink that milk, it'll be like there'll be a lot of effect. It'll have a lot of like.
It's concentrated in terms of nutrients, maybe. Okay. Wow.
And here the cows and bulls have only two things. That is a hay, grass and water. That's about it.
So you don't give fruits and all that like banana.
Fruits, during mango season, they have fruits.
Okay.
So here we have a lot of mango trees.
They eat it.
They eat.
And no other feed, right? Like what you get in the market, the feed for this.
Tavada we get.
Occasionally, very occasionally. Like
There's something like alfalfa and all that is given in America to the cows. Alfalfa.
no, we don't. Here we give that barn,
Okay.
the wheat and rice ka barn.
Acha.
That is mixed with water and given. But that also here we don't encourage it in a big way.
Okay.
That's why the focus on only gobar and not milk. So, but they have to be healthy and sturdy. So the exposure to Panchabhutas help in a significant way.
And in vacation time, we untie. Like,
So then
we are
since the vacation he is untied.
and they will graze around.
He is only this Shambhu.
Yeah, someone told me, huh?
Shambhu.
Which one is left, black or white?
Untied grey one.
Hunted grey one.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah.
First time
Shambhu.
when he came, he was very aggressive and everything.
This Shambhu was aggressive. Let me go near. He won't attack me, right? Can I touch him?
This is our garden.
Namaste, Shambhu.
They don't like touching in the head.
Then here.
Here and
Sometimes they are.
Oh, okay. I don't know anything, so
the used one.
Whoever he's used to.
they can touch anywhere. Okay.
This is our Lakshmi.
Let me try.
If you climb on him, he will get it.
But he's very thin, no? He's very thin.
He has grown thin, like, or
Why?
I guess he grazes less.
Yeah, they're a little thin, no?
You can stand with all the kids there.
Okay.
You all